Now, I would say that a lot of people would, when you are good, the thing is when you are good, when they notice that you are good in certain things, people will come to you for help in doing this or that. Now, I dare say that you should help less and collaborate more. So you can also initiate this collaboration yourself, but you should talk to your advisor before you initiate collaborations. So this is possible, like I said here, within your research group with your advisor, or you can do this, you can collaborate outside your local research group. So I have some suggestions on how you can, suggest a collaboration, how you can throw that to someone. So let's look at two scenarios here. When they need significant help, and someone comes to you that they need help with something, and if you think this will cost significant energy and time, you can say something like, do you mind if I learn more about this project, and perhaps this can be in form of a collaboration? And of course, if you say this, you have to be open-minded to learn about their project. Now, I'm not saying every time they will say yes, but if this was a student that came to you for this help, the student will probably want to talk to their advisor to see if this can be possible. But most times, if you are the expert in this particular skill, they would agree. Now, with an agreement, you can ask for more information like the project's destination, like the end goal, the kind of paper they're thinking of publishing it in, timeline till completion, just another question. So this is what you can do if someone needs your help. Don't just let people use you and your skill. I know you're an international student, but you shouldn't be at the mercy of people that are not working closely related to your project. Now, when you need significant help, what can you do? Instead of saying someone should help you, you can approach them. If you think there's someone who is better at a certain skill, using one skill, one equipment in the lab, for example, you can approach them and just explain, we are working on X, Y, Z. Do you mind if we use your expertise on a portion of our project, as a potential collaborator? So you can throw this to them. But of course, you want to, like I said earlier, you want to talk to your advisor first before you propose this. But most of the time, your advisor wouldn't mind anyways. So research takes time. And in order to go far and fast, you need to learn to delegate duty when you can, or if it's possible. Nobody can do everything. Nobody knows everything. When you get on campus, you will understand that even your advisor is not an expert on everything, every technique in your field. So they collaborate, they use people. So you should learn to, use people as collaborators to get things done faster. Now, if you do this first, chances are they will also come to you to use your skill in one of their projects. So that's how it is. So if you are good at something, you propose it first, they will, as long as they now see you as a collaborator, they will probably come back to you and say, hey, can you also do this for us? So that way, one paper can become, two. So that's how it's done. For me, I think I had about four first author publications before I graduated, and in total, and also the ones I collaborated on, I had I think 10, 11 publications. So that's how to do it. Collaborate. And like I said here, collaboration is the key to working hard and smart in academia.